we'll yam. Home for the right turn, after we spend the money we earn. Oh, 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 it's a lovely war.
July 1914. Europe has never looked more beautiful or more deadly. For the first time ever, we can see the First World War the way the soldiers actually saw it, in full, haunting colour. This is not another black and white history lesson, this is World War I in total colour. Using restored and colorised footage, we'll follow the war from the optimistic summer of 1914 all the way to the exhausted silence of November 1918. In the summer of 1914, Europe was vibrant and full of colour. Bright red London buses, elegant Parisian cafes, Prussian blue military parades. When the war was declared after the assassination in Sarajevo, huge cheering crowds filled the streets. Young men lined up at recruiting stations, flowers in their rifle barrels, smiling confidently. They truly believed it would be over by Christmas. But the mood changed fast. Austria-Hungary attacked Serbia. Russia mobilised. Germany invaded neutral Belgium. Britain declared war. The German army swept through Belgium and northern France in the famous Schlieffen Plan. Paris itself seemed about to fall, but the Allies stopped the Germans at the Battle of the Marne, even using Parisian taxis to rush troops to the front. By the end of 1914, both sides dug in. The Western Front became a continuous line of trenches stretching from the Channel to Switzerland. Look at the trenches in colour. The mud is thick, sticky brown. Water in the bottom often has an unnatural blue-green sheen from waste and chemicals. Rats run everywhere. Soldiers' faces are tired, unshaven and pale. Their uniforms are filthy with clay and blood. You see the vivid orange flashes of artillery, the terrifying yellow-green clouds of poison gas, and the constant grey rain. Machine guns mow down men crossing no man's land. Yet, in December 1914, the famous Christmas Truce happened in many sectors. British and German soldiers met in no man's land, played football, sang carols, and exchanged gifts before returning to war. The war became industrial. New weapons appeared in colour. British tanks in bold camouflage, lumbering forward. Aeroplanes dogfighting in blue skies. Flamethrowers and gas attacks. Major battles like the Somme and Verdun saw hundreds of thousands of die in the same brown mud for tiny gains. On the first day of the Somme alone, Britain suffered 57,000 casualties. The war spread globally. Indian troops in turbans fought in Flanders. Anzac soldiers landed in Gallipoli under a burning sun. Fighting raged in the deserts of the Middle East, the mountains of Italy and the jungles of Africa.
Take me back to dear old Blighty. Put me on the train to London town. Take me over there, drop me anywhere. Liverpool, Leeds or Birmingham, well I don't care. I should love to see my best girl cuddling up again with Sue she'll be. Whoa, tiddly illy itty, hurry me home to Blighty. Blighty is the place for me.
Exhaustion set in. Mutinies broke out in the French army. Russia collapsed into revolution and left the war, but America joined the Allies, bringing fresh troops in olive drab uniforms and new hope. The German U-boat campaign almost starved Britain, but it also helped bring America in. In spring 1918, Germany launched one last massive offensive. For a while, it looked like they might win, but the Allies held, then counterattacked in the 100 Days Offensive. By autumn, the German army was collapsing. On 11th of November 1918, at 11 AM, the guns fell silent. The bright optimism of 1914 was gone. Empires had fallen, new nations appeared on the map, over 20 million people were dead. The modern world was born in the mud and blood of the Great War. Seeing this war in full colour changes how we understand it. These are real people, young men with families, dreams and fears, fighting under real skies, in real mud, with real blood. The colour makes it immediate, it makes it human. If you want more Colourised history like this, like the video, comment which battle or year you want next and subscribe for more. Never forget what happened here. Thanks for watching.